Are you seeing the no internet connection error on Roblox? In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix it. First, refresh the internet connection on your iPhone. For that, launch settings, enable for the option airplane mode, wait for a few minutes and then disable it. This disconnects all network activity. After that, you'll need to navigate to the option Wi-Fi and make sure you are connected to the internet. Likewise, you can reconnect to your Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now you can launch your Roblox and check whether it is working. Next thing you want to do is check your date and time. For that, launch settings, navigate to the option general, head over to the option date and time. Make sure you have toggle on for the option set automatically. An incorrect date or time can prevent Roblox from connecting to its servers. If you are still facing the issue, try clearing Roblox cache data. For that, head back to the main page of settings, go to the option general, navigate to the option iPhone storage. From the list of apps, you'll need to find Roblox. Once you find it, launch it. Then click on the option Offload app, click on Offload app, then click on Reinstall app. With these, your problem might be fixed. Lastly, you can check the server status of Roblox. For that, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website down detector, search for Roblox. If you found out any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved from their side. And that's it. These are some fixes for Roblox connection issue. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.